Notion AI Enterprise. Is it the best workflows for US knowledge workers? So let's talk about its 2025 edition. So Notion's enterprise tier workspace now includes a deeply integrated AI suite, which is called Notion AI, for usage of work and enterprises, that brings together writing, research, automation, and search inside the Notion environment. So first, let's talk about its key components. It offers AI meeting notes, enterprise search across Notion, plus connected apps. It has a research mode, AI agents, webhooks and automations, and an enterprise-grade security and governance. So what are its best-case workflows for knowledge workers in US enterprises? So it offers a product development and research. You can use the research mode to pull together projects and documentations, customer feedbacks, and even competitive analysis. It also has a knowledge management and search. So with enterprise search plus AI connectors, knowledge workers can query across Notions and other integrated platforms. And it also offers meeting efficiency and action items. So you can use, like during meetings, you can use Zoom, Google Meet, and a lot of apps as well, which Notion AI can transcribe conversations from to. And then it also has an automated reporting and updates, and even onboarding and training knowledge bases. So overall, Notion AI Enterprise is very well suited for US knowledge workers who want a unified AI-enabled workspace where writing, research, meeting notes, and project planning all live in one place. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications